Alright, we will take another ride on the glass elevators at this hotel.
Good morning, how are you? I'm doing well.
This one.
It's cold.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah.
Yeah, kinda is, yeah. Alright.
On the other hand, at least the sun's out, although...
We got a choice here.
But I'm kind of thinking this whole, we're only going to come out, you need 3?
Thank you.
3.
I'm at 4, there we go. I'm like, okay, I've been for 4 days and now you decide to come out on the last day. Great, that's really nice.
Sorry, where are you from?
Fort Worth. Where it's supposed to snow tomorrow for some reason. You know, we don't do snow in Texas.
I know.
No.
It's too cold.
We don't like snow in Texas.
We typically don't snow here either.
Bye-bye, have a good day.
Bye-bye, you too.
Thank you.
In fact, the last time it snowed in this part of the state was in the 70s.
Was it?
Yeah.
We get snow about once a year, but it generally falls, it melts by about 10 o'clock in the morning, and then you can go about your business.
Gotcha.
But they had snow in Galveston and Corpus Christi, and someone was telling me Pensacola's expecting snow, so.
Yeah. Huh. Well, have a nice
You
day.
too, you have a good day too.
I like the feel of these buttons. PTL fixtures. Here we go. Alright, let's ring the bell. Alright, let's go down to the first floor. Alright, everyone in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're squeezing me.
I'm just taking a ride. Going up?
Going up?
Yeah.
Oh, you left something?
Yeah, I'm just taking a ride in the elevator. I know it's funny, I know. It's weird.
Charnette, you on too?
Yes, darling.
Okay. No more can't fit. No more can't fit. Deuces in a quarter. Deuces in a quarter. No. Y'all is not finna smother my baby. No.
Mighty God.
Not finna. Whoa.
All right.
What the fuck?
Yeah, man, me not off till Tuesday.
Gone, cause they can't smother my baby. Go on, Charnette. They can't smother my baby now. Come on.
Okay. All right.
Oh, you camcording.
Yeah, I'm just doing a video of the elevators. I just do videos of elevators, yeah. I know it sounds weird, but.
That's a nifty little camcorder.
Yeah.
I ain't seen one like that.
It's new, yeah.
Look at his camcorder.
Yeah, it's a
I
GoPro.
never seen that one.
Yeah.
You know you can see Tropicana Field, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Excuse me, Kelsha.
Alright, well, have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks. Alright, you too. It will end on 7. Alright, and here we are up here. Man, this thing seems to be a little low on oil. Alright, let's ring the bell. And there it goes. And that will be it.